Hello! So, I'm back again, but this video is going to be a little bit different. I've got a lot of trips coming up in the next few months, including Cyprus, Italy, Switzerland, and wedding venue visits. So I'm going to need to revamp my wardrobe a little bit, so I headed to Primark, obviously. So I was just going to do a very brief Primark haul. All the stuff that I've picked up in this haul is from the last 2 months, so it is current and it should still be in stock. But here we go, this is my first ever Primark haul, so yeah, let's see what I picked up. So first thing I picked up was this shirt. It's a shirt. It's black and white. It's got this like zebra, no, not zebra, what do you call it? Leopard print-ish, but it's like, yeah, not the natural colour. And I've worn this to death. I took this with me to Jersey. I've worn this with jeans, dungarees, skirts, and I love it. It's the perfect fit, and I think it was only £10 as well. So this is, yeah, this is what I've got. I'll insert a picture now from Jersey where I was wearing it. Next up, shoes. So I picked up these next up, shoes. So I picked these up a couple of weeks ago. They were, if I can find a price, £12. They were like a leather patent boot. I've got lots of black boots, but I really wanted a faux leather boot for like evening, going out for drinks with friends, and this is the perfect pair, and for £12 can't go wrong. Next up is a skirt, and actually in quite a similar print to the shirt I just showed you, but kind of the opposite colour. So it's a midi skirt, as you can see. Black and white again, and yeah, it's perfect. I've been looking for one of these for ages, because you can dress this up and dress it down when you're travelling, so which is perfect for me because it means I can wear it in the day with trainers, but I can also wear it in the evening with some boots like I've just shown you, or I can match it with a jumper or a sparkly tee, so quite flexible. And the black and white can't go wrong. I'm not a very colourful person, so black and white is a good idea for me. And this one was £13. Next up, I got a belt. Not for any reason other than that I needed another one, because my one was getting old. It's the in the style of the Gucci style belt. It's got the two loops, and this was £4. So again, can't go wrong. I wear belts with all my jeans. Just feel like it gives them that extra added style, basically. Then I also got a bag. Backpacks are the way forward when you're travelling, or just when you're out and about, really. I'm going to London this evening, and I'm going to take this with me because it's just so much easier than carrying a handbag. It's a leather backpack. I don't really know what else I can say, really. It's really useful. It's got a front pocket. It's also got a zip compartment inside as well, and yeah, this one's really handy, and I love wearing this one. I've worn it a couple of times already, so again, I'll throughout this video I'll insert a load of photos. And next up, got myself a sunglasses case. I am the worst person for breaking sunglasses. Yeah, never buy me an expensive pair of sunglasses, because I break them all the time. So I buy most of my sunglasses from Primark, but I thought, you know what, even though they're cheap, I'll get a little case, so I'm not constantly buying sunglasses, and we'll see if we can keep a pair for more than a month. Another staple I've just bought from Primark is jeans, and I'm actually wearing a black pair now as well. But yeah, these I love. I've been looking for a pair of like distressed blue denim for a while. Look massive on the camera, but I think they're called vintage skinny. So they fit like a mum jean style, but they're really comfortable. And I wore these this weekend to go to Columbia Road Flower Market. If you go to my Instagram, you can see a photo of me wearing them. But yeah, these are brilliant. And again, I think they were £13 or £12. You really cannot go wrong with Primark jeans. I've got about 8 pairs. I've got the pair that I'm wearing in black. I've got 2 pairs of these because I alternate them from day to day for work. And then I've also got a couple of pair of blue ones, and next up I'll show you as well, I've got a pair of dungarees. Like I said, next up is a pair of dungarees. So they're cord rather than jean, I guess, and they're perfect. I wore these over Christmas. I even wore them on Christmas Day, so that when I was eating all the Christmas pudding and cheese, I had a little bit of extra room around the belly area. But yeah, these are brilliant. They're just a denim cord fabric, and they go all the way down, and then I just roll them up at the bottom, so that I can make them a little bit more trendy. I don't really know what to say then, but anyway, those are brilliant, and I think they were about £15. They're great, and I really love them. Next up is a little bit of a alternative. Next up, I've got something a little bit alternative. Shout out to Lena Cole on Instagram, because I follow her and I love her style. She's very different, she's very alternative, and she'd actually posted a picture of her wearing this, which is actually a nightie, but she'd styled it up really well. I think she was wearing a black roll neck and some boots or some trainers with it, and it just looked really cool, and it's definitely the style that I like, kind of rolled out of bed look, literally. So it's like a midi length. It's got like what do you call this, lace down the side, and yeah, this is really nice, and I haven't yet worn this, but I'm gonna maybe style it up this weekend with a black roll neck and some boots, so I'll post a picture on Instagram over the weekend. My penultimate thing is I got a bottle. I lost mine, I left mine at the hotel last weekend, and yeah, this one's great. So I've picked this one up, and actually it's much better than my original one because it's got a flip top, so you know that it's not going to leak when you are travelling around, which is vital for me because I constantly am chucking this in my backpack. But yeah, perfect. £2.50, and it's a lot cheaper than any of the ones that I found in Sports Direct or Tesco, Asda, etc. So I'm happy with this. And then my final piece, even though I have got a beach holiday booked, Cyprus, in May, but that's not for a while. I saw this and I just loved it, and if you've watched my previous Cambridge weight plan video, you'll know that I lost 3 stone last summer. Well, over the 6 months I lost 3 stone. I haven't been in a bikini in 4 years maybe, but this summer coming I'm determined to feel really comfortable and confident in wearing a bikini again. I love swimsuits, don't get me wrong, so I'll continue wearing swimsuits, but I really love this. I've seen it on Instagram already, so it must be popular. But it's a 2-piece from Primark. It's this like ruched fabric, as you can see, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. So yeah, again, nothing special, but it was £6. The top's £6 and the bottoms are £4. So for a tenner, I feel like this is very me, super chilled, a little bit of colour added in when we go away on holiday. We're not just black and white in the summer as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to wearing this. And Primark have actually got a really good selection of swimsuits at the moment, so make sure you go head in and check them out, because you know what they're like, they'll sell out super quick, and then you can never find your size later on. So I'm glad I picked these up now, even though I'm not going on a beach holiday now till May, because I would really regret not having picked it up. But yeah, that's it. that's everything I've bought from Primark in the last couple of months. I feel very prepared now for my trips coming up over the next couple of months, so I'm looking forward to wearing these clothes, and of course I will wear them when I'm back at home as well and around and about in London. So make sure you go to my Instagram. It's instagram.com/SophieSuitcaseTravel, and give me a follow. If you like this video, go and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you think this is a good idea, doing a haul of clothes I bought over the last few months when I've got a couple of trips coming up in the next 6 months. Yeah, so if you think this is a good idea and you like this video, every time I do a haul for a trip coming up, I'm happy to do more videos like this, because I love watching these types of videos and it gives me so much inspiration for fashion and style and what clothes I want to get for my next trip. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.